With phones charging, gaming consoles booting up, and laptops humming while you work, those two standard outlets by your desk or bedside table can get overwhelmed pretty quickly. To prevent blowing a fuse or frying your devices, it's essential to plug everything into a power strip or surge protector. Power strips create extra outlet space for your electronics, from USB to regular AC. Surge protectors increase the number of outlets while also defending against spikes in voltage caused by power outages or grid fluctuations. Some power strips might include surge protection, but not all do. Considering the relatively low cost of these accessories, they're typically $30 or less, and how much you'd spend on a replacement device, they're certainly a worthwhile investment. Number 1. Jacklyed Surge Protector Tower. This Jacklyed is a convenient tabletop power tower, and is most useful when placed in the center of a conference table in collaborative environments or meetings. It has outlets on every panel, with 2 USB ports each on 2 of the sides. There's a power switch for each tier of the tower, so you can be selective about which equipment you power off and which you leave on. The power cord for this unit retracts and winds into the base, so there's no extra cable looped around to deal with. Plus, the handle on top makes for easy transport in between rooms. We especially like the surge protector tower on our project table where tools and equipment frequently come and go and we have several things happening at once. A modest amount of surge protection guards sensitive electronics, although we wouldn't suggest using this as a permanent power supply for these devices. Number 2. Anker PowerPort Cube Power Strip. The compact cube-shaped PowerPort from Anker is more of an extension cord with USB ports than it is a surge protector. Its tiny size doesn't take up much space on a desk and keeps outlets within easy reach. The PowerPort comes with an adhesive pad to keep it from moving around. Wherever you decide to put it, it's super sticky, so you can even tack it on a wall. We were able to do away with multiple AC adapters thanks to this Anker. There are 3 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, so it powers all the personal electronic devices you need for work or play. Its compact size also makes it ideal for travel, and the cube can easily fits into a briefcase or laptop bag. Designed for travel. Lightweight and compact enough to fit into your hand luggage, compatible with all standard wall outlet voltages worldwide, 100 volts to 240 volts, and safe to take on cruises. All-round safety. A thick rubber-coated power cable, fire retardant casing, and more combined to provide superior safety for you and your devices. Use anywhere. The flexible 5-feet cord offers plenty of maneuverability, while the 45 degrees flat plug fits easily into hard-to-reach outlets and doesn't obstruct other plugs. Number 3. APC Surge Protector. APC has a lot of confidence in this 11-outlet surge arrest, so much so that it offers a $250,000 connected equipment protection policy, and a lifetime warranty. Short of using it in a research lab to protect scientific instruments, we had a hard time coming up with a list of equipment to match that total. Multiple layers of protection guard against power surges, and there are LEDs to indicate protection status and building wiring faults. The 6 outlets are spaced nicely to accommodate large power adapters, and all of them have sliding covers to keep out dust and debris when you're not using them. The heavy cord swivels 180 degrees so it lays flat and out of the way, no matter which way it sits behind furniture. Because of the surge arrest size and features, we found it most useful for elaborate entertainment or computer equipment. Power disturbances such as surges, lighting and spikes can happen at any time and cause irreparable damage to your investments. All APC surge products undergo stringent IEEE testing and comply with local agencies' safety requirements. The P11U2 provides the primary level of surge protection. Number 4. Belkin 12-outlet surge protector power strip. Belkin has everything covered with this 12-outlet power strip, shielding against surges and spikes wherever they might come from. The low-profile surge protector has 6 widely spaced outlets to accommodate large power adapters, and a clip-on cable organizer to keep cords all heading in the same direction. The slim design helps it fit under desks and behind furniture, so you can set it and forget it, although the protection and ground wiring status lights won't be visible in this case. The surge protector also has sliding covers to keep dust out of unused outlets. Widely spaced outlets give ample area to fit big plugs and chargers. Its slender design is ideal for home office, workstations, and more. The 2.4mm cord has a 3-prong angle plug convenient for tight spaces. Number 5. Addtam Wall Charger Surge Protector. Addtam's wall charger surge protector allows you to get more usage from the standard outlets around your home while saving space and eliminating extra extension cords. It comes with two 5AC outlets, along with 3 USB-A and 1 USB-C port for compatible devices. Items plugged in benefit from the 1800 joule surge protection, which is surprisingly high for a wall adapter. There's an indicator light on the front to show when your devices are grounded and protected, too. While this surge protector doesn't offer as many outlets or charging ports as a traditional surge protector, it's still a viable method for making the most of your standard home outlets if you don't need to plug in that many devices. This power strip has overload protection, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection and overheating protection. It will automatically cut power to protect connected devices when voltage surge is overwhelming. Combined with fire-resistant casing keeping you and your devices completely safe. Number 6. Bestek 8-outlet 6-foot extension cord power strip. Bestek's 8-outlet surge protector is ideal as an accessible, underdesk power solution. We found that 8 outlets were more than enough for a fully outfitted, single workstation desk. 2 of them are set apart from the others specifically for devices with large plugs. The other 6 are spaced more tightly, and we were able to use all of them with a range of standard plugs. 4 smart USB charging ports ensure each device is charged at the voltage and rate best suited for it, and they self-adjust the current when charging multiple devices simultaneously. The lighted on/off switch has an integrated circuit breaker for overload protection on all outlets to keep your gadgets safe from fluctuations in voltage or a sudden lightning strike. 2 widely spaced AC outlets accommodate large oddly shaped power adapters, charger and plugs, the multi-directional layout of the outlets, additional outlets facing sideways, so they aren't partially blocking their neighboring plug. The separately spaced outlet on each side is perfect for plugging in items that take up more room. The 3-pronged plugs are spaced nicely. Number 7. 1-beat 6-outlet surge protector. The AC outlets on this surge protector from 1-beat have ample space in between them to accommodate bulkier adapters like laptop charging blocks. There are 2 outlets on the front panel and 2 on each side, which is convenient if you're plugging in devices with cords that aren't as flexible and need to lay flat. It's space-saving and not very long, so it works well for desktops and workstations. The surge protector auto-detects your connected devices for charging efficiency, and the lighted on/off switch has an integrated circuit breaker and automatically cuts power if the voltage gets overwhelming. The low-profile flat plug fits easily in tight spaces, and the right-angle flat plug design prevents bottom plug blocking. The 5 feet upgraded power cord is very thick and has better current carrying capacity, 13A. The 2 mounting holes on back allows this power strip to be securely installed in various applications. Number 8. Tessan flat plug extension cord power strip. Tessan's flat plug extension cord is a compact option for when you only need a couple of extra outlets. Its size and shape make it easy to pack when traveling. We carried it in our laptop bag when working off-site. 4 standard outlets are spaced far apart, and they were efficient for fitting our devices without plugs overlapping. 3 standard USB ports were enough to satisfy our charging needs and helped make this useful as a tabletop charging station. You can also hang this Tessan flat on a wall or above a desk or nightstand if space is limited. We were surprised and impressed with the 3,940 joules of surge protection. That's a lot for a surge protector this small and inexpensive. This surge protector extension cord can safeguard your expensive computers, TV, and all other electronics from power surge attacks that might be caused by the unstable power supply, lighting and storm. Widely spaced outlets fit for a slightly big power adapters without blocking adjacent outlets, saving your space and making your desktop organized.